Good morning, students. Today we'll start worksheet 3, page number 13. Page number 13, worksheet 3. Lina, her brother Dutch, and their daddy are in the zoo. Lina is very excited. So she just can't stop chatting with her father, means talking with her father. While talking, they forget certain words. While talking, they forget certain words. Complete the conversation between Lina and her daddy. So this is the question. Lina, Dutch, and their father are in the zoo. They are talking. While talking, they forget certain words, and their talking has been given in the form of dialogue writing below in the exercise. Some words are missing there. So complete the conversation. You have to complete the conversation filling the right word, appropriate word. So as you know, this chapter is about determiners. So we have to use the determiners there particularly. So let us see. First, Lina is saying, "It's great here, Dad. Look at the white rhinos." So Lina says, "It's great here, Dad. Look at the white rhinos over there." Then Dad says, "Yes, they are from Africa. The rhinos are from Africa. There are only 29,000 rhinos. There are only 29,000 rhinos left in the world. Only 29,000 rhinos are remaining in the world," the father said. That's it. "Dad, I am thirsty," means he wants to drink water. So he wants to drink water. Dacia is brother. "Is there some lemonade left in that bottle? Lemon juice. Is there some lemonade left in that bottle?" "No, there isn't any. There isn't any, but there is blank water. Enough." Please write down here, enough. ENOUGH. There is enough water. Next one. Lina, "Oh, that's forget about the lemonade. Dad, are there blank ostriches here?" Many ostriches here. So students, many also can be used while asking the questions for countable nouns, and also any can be used. Usually when there is positive answers expected, that time we use many. Negative, in that case we use any. And also in question we usually use any. "I am sure there must be blank on the other side. Too many on the other side." See here, Lina was expecting the positive answer. That's why she used here many ostriches here. Father replied, "Yes, there are too many." Okay. Next one. That's it. "I am hungry. Is there blank chocolate in the bag?" Who asked this? Dacia asked this. "I am hungry. Is there blank chocolate in the bag?" Means, is there any chocolate? It is used while we expect negative answer with questions. So, any chocolate in the bag? No, there isn't any. Lina, that's have you come here only to eat? Lina asked. This zoo isn't very good. There aren't blank mice or rats. As I told you, in case of negative sentences, we usually use any. There aren't any mice or rats or snakes, insects or spiders. So the determiner is here any. So students, next we will go to worksheet 4. So once again you see the page, note down the determiners used there in worksheet 3. If still you feel I am speeding up, then please stop the video, note down the words that you need, then you go to the next one. That is the way to see or watch the video. So now we will go to page number 14. Now we will go to page number 14. Children, once again I tell you, if you are not able to write quickly, you feel I am speeding up, then you please see the screen. First you stop the video, then you note down the word you need. This is the way to note down the words. Now we will go to page number 14. Please see page number 14. So children, now we will go to page number 14. As you see, page number 14 here. So see here. Note that sum is used to express quantity or number in positive statements. Sum is used, the word sum, determiner, is used to express quantity or number in positive statements. For example, I need some help. Sum is used with both with countables and uncountables. Help is uncountable. So we can use here sum also. I need some help. Sum is used once again, quantity or number, means countable and uncountable. Quantity is uncountable, number is countable. 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. Quantity 1 kg, 1 liter, all these. So sum is used for quantity and number. Some oil. Some books also correct. Some oil is also correct. Next, any is used to express number or quantity in negative statements. Just now I had told you in negative statements. For example, there wasn't any help available. There wasn't any help available. Any is also used in question forms when negative answer is expected. In questions, both some and any are acceptable. In questions, both some and any are acceptable. We use some if we expect a positive answer. So some is less than many. Just as I told you, many is also used in the same way. Some is less than many. So we use some if we expect a positive answer, and any if a negative answer is expected. So once again I show you, You also see the books. You see your books while I am teaching and listen to the video. In questions, both some and any are acceptable. We use some if we expect a positive answer. Means if we expect that the person will reply positively with yes, then in that case also we use some. And any if a negative answer is expected. If we think that the person will say no, in that case we will use any. For example, do you have any complaints? We expect negative answer. The answer is expected no. Do you need some more? The answer is expected yes, positively. So, what's it for? The Segans are having a picnic. Segans means titles, just as Prasads, just as Saxenas, the same way. The Segans are having a picnic. They are all talking at the same time as they are very excited. The same time they are talking. So, choose the appropriate means correct, speech, bubbles you see here, bubbles. Choose the correct appropriate speech bubbles to fill in the blank spaces given on the next page. This is page number 14. In 15, the questions are given, blank spaces are there. You have to fill the correct bubbles at the correct blanks. So, let us start the worksheet, page number 15. Students, you see the blurbs here, the bubbles, and in these bubbles some lines have been written there, and you have to fill the appropriate lines in the right blank spaces given in the next page. So, let us see the next page. This is page number 15. In page 15, you see first question is blank. The picture is given. You have to see the picture and accordingly the right line from the bubbles given in the previous page. You have to pick out the right lines from that and you have to note down in the correct blank, appropriate blank. See, here it is about sandwiches. So, what will be the question? How many sandwiches do you want? Sandwiches is countable. That's why many was used here. How many sandwiches do you want? This person is asking. So, this is, you see, given here in the bubble here, number 1, okay, you will note down this way number 1 against it and later on you will fill in the blank. This is for number 1. How many sandwiches do you want? Next, the number 2. Please see the picture here. So, what could be the expected answer? What is the girl talking about? So, what could be the possible answer? You have to see to it. The girl is actually holding a cake. So, the question is about the cake only. So, let us see what is in the clue given there. Students, please see, this sentence is about the cake. I hope this cake doesn't have too much sugar. Means the girl there is talking about the cake. I hope this cake doesn't have too much sugar. So please note down here number 2. This way you mention there number 2, and later on with the pencil you note down. Later on you will write in the space provided there in the book. This is number 2. Next come to number 3. Students, these are the buns. So we will see in the previous page in the bubbles what is given about the buns. Okay, so let us see there. So children, please see here. This is about bun. Come on, have a bun. There are a lot here, many. That's why it is a lot. Come on, have a bun. There are a lot here. So this is about number 3. Please write down here number 3 this way. Next, number 4. See children, this is about ice cream. We understand this. He is taking ice cream. Number 4. So what would be the correct answer here? Let us see there. Please see here the correct answer here. How many scoops of ice cream do you want? The correct answer is here. How many scoops of ice cream do you want? He is asking. She is asking. So here we write down number 4. IV means number 4. This is about number 4. Next, number 5. See children, something is in this bottle. So what is he talking about? Let us see. We can find from the bubbles there, the line. So we can understand that some drink is here in the bottle. Let us see the line. So students, we have already completed 4. So when we see, we find that here it is about orange juice. Here only it is about orange juice. So let us see what is written there. We have a lot of orange juice in our store. So now it is correct. We have a lot of orange juice in our store, the girl was saying. So please note it down here. 5, number 5, this way. Next number, the last one is remaining. So what is it? So students, you see, we think these are chips. Okay. So you always eat chips. Many times you eat chips, Kurkure, Lays. These are chips. So what is the girl talking about? Let us see. What is she talking about? The chips. So children, you see this answer is here. So let us see what is written there. Eating too many chips can harm my health, she is saying. She is saying the correct thing. Eating too many chips can harm my health. So note it down, number 6. This is for number 6. So I think you must have completed this worksheet 4, page number 14 and 15. This is over. Now we will go to page number 16. So students, this is worksheet 5, page number 16. As you see here, a team from Cadbury India, the makers of a food drink, has come to show the children a small documentary on nutritious food. The company Cadbury India, you must have taken Cadbury's chocolate eating, okay? That Cadbury company is going to show the children a small documentary on nutritious food. They have shown the children a food pyramid. This construction is called pyramid, okay? So they have shown the children a food pyramid. Just as you see in the pyramid, these are the foods. Work in groups of 4. Discuss what we should eat and in what quantity. Means how much we should eat, the quantity that we should eat. We should discuss. complete the food pyramid, you have to complete the blanks are given. You have to complete the food pyramid. Complete the food pyramid using suitable determiners from the add box on the next page. On the next page, some determiners are given. You have to fill the blanks here with the right determiner for the food to be used for the food. So this way we have to complete the pyramid here. Okay. So let us see what are the determiners given in the next page. Students, please see the add box. Please see the add box given in page 17. Add box. And in the add box, the words are given the determiners. See. Some, any, a little, enough, many, all, and a lot of. A lot or a lot of. And a few also. A few. These are all determiners. And we have to use the right determiner. We have to pick out the right determiner from this add box and fill in the blank given against the pyramid in page number 16. See here the pyramid given. So we have to fill it here in the pyramid. So let us see the first one. First one is a bottle. So there must be oil is written there. Okay, oil is written there. You see on the bottle. So we have to write here. You may write some oil. Some oil. Write down some. Better you write down here some, not a little. Some is more than a little. A little means very less in quantity. And some means more than a little. And much is more than some. For uncountable noun, much is more than some. So, some you have written. Next, it is answer is given here, a few pieces. So, one side will complete now. See, egg is given. The line is given for egg here. Actually, it should be, as you see here, it should be an egg. We can write an egg, but an is not given in the option. That's why we have to pick out the next right phrase or right determiner next to an to be used for egg. So here it will be a few because it can be counted. A few. Next, come to this one. Fish is given. Fish is also countable. Write down here a few. Next, bananas. This line is for bananas. Many bananas. Many is used for countable, which can be counted. Many bananas. Next you see a lot of grapes. A lot of grapes. Students, these are noodles. So you have to use here enough noodles. Enough noodles. And this is for rice. This is for rice. So you may write here enough rice. Enough rice. Okay? Not a little. You write down here enough rice. Because this is for sufficient for one man at least. Enough rice. Okay? Next you see here bread, a few pieces. A few may write here. A few. Okay. A few pieces you may write here. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. A few pieces of bread. Or you may write lot of bread. Lots of bread. Lots of bread. It is also used with one. Lots of bread. It is also used a lot of or lots of when there are many. Number is more. So children, better you write down here a few pieces of bread. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces of bread. Because here the number is less. That's why we should write a few pieces of bread. So children, thank you very much for today. Next we will start in the next class. Thank you.